Hi, I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about this great product for curly hair. This is the DevaCurl Supreme Defining Gel. I've been using this for a while now, and it's been working really well for me. What I love about it is how easy it is to use. It doesn't require multiple steps. I actually put it in right after I finish my shower when my hair is still soaking wet. I just divide my hair into 3 sections. I put it in thoroughly and then I scrunch and use my old t-shirt for drying. And I love the way that this comes out. After I put it in the shower, I just diffuse my hair. I diffuse till about 80% and then air dry the rest of the way. And then I just scrunch out the crunch when my hair is fully dry, and I love how the product looks in my hair. So this has been great. As you can see, this is my hair with the product in. This is after doing my hair this morning and with this product, and I love it. I'm very happy with it, and that's my point of view.